All right, guys, I want you to stop picking products. And I'm serious. You're choosing what to sell before you choose how to even sell it. And that's one mistake that you could be making and causing your income to never move. I'm going to show you the business model first, then the products fall right in place. And I want to keep this very short, no fluff. We're covering what digital products you can sell from home, why people actually need them, how the business pays and when it pays, the process to set it up, and the process to promote it. And I'm going to leave you with one audience and one video strategy you can go record in 35 seconds flat. And here's where most people get stuck. You go on Google, you type in products I can sell to make money, and you get a list: candles, t-shirts, phone cases, courses, drop shipping gadgets from overseas. None of it is wrong, but none of it is right either, because you're shopping for products before you understand how selling online works. That's like buying ingredients before you know how to cook. You end up with a mess on the counter and nothing on the plate. The real problem isn't finding the product. There are millions of products. The problem is you don't have a framework, no business model telling you what to sell, who to sell to, how to get it in front of them. So you jump from thing to thing, candle to print on demand next, some random course you saw on TikTok the week after that. Your income hasn't moved because your strategy hasn't moved. Now here's where it shifts. There are digital products you can sell right from home and on the internet. Things people already need and already search for: digital tools, digital education, digital resources, things that solve a real problem someone is Googling right now. You're not convincing anyone to buy. You're putting the right thing in front of someone who's already looking for it. Completely different game. Think about it. When someone searches how to start a business or how to learn a skill or how to fix a specific problem in my life, they're already sold on the idea. They just need the solution or the implementation. You become the person who connects them to it. That's what selling digital products online actually looks like. Now, here's the mental part most people overlook. Why are digital products lucrative? Two reasons. One, no inventory, of course, no shipping, no warehouse, no waiting 3 weeks for a shipment from another country. You sell it, it's delivered instantly, you get paid. Two, and this is the big one, it pays you up front, not months from now after you've built some huge following. Real commissions hitting your account while you're still learning the business. Your bills don't wait. Why should your income? Most people think they need 10,000 followers before they earn a dime, and that's not how this works. I'm actually building multiple accounts with very low following, still getting eyes, leads, and sales. You can start generating income in your first week if you understand the framework. And I'll come back to that word framework because it's everything. So let's talk about setting this up. People think starting an online business means spending months watching courses, buying software, figuring out tech they just don't understand, and someone stitching it all together while working a full-time job. Stop letting people waste your time with that. What you actually need is framework, not a pile of random courses. A foundation you can use no matter the platform, no matter the product you sell, paired with implementation steps that get you up and running in days, not months, even with a 9 to 5 eating your schedule, even with kids, even if you've never done anything like this before. The setup is simpler than you think when someone shows you the steps in order instead of dumping a library on you full of information and saying good luck. Now, the part I really want you to hear, promoting it. This is where people freeze up because they think promotion means dancing on camera or going viral or spending money on ads. It doesn't. It comes down to one audience and one video strategy. Let me give you an example. You pull out your phone, you record a 35-second video talking directly to someone searching for a way to start a business from home. You say something like, you're still trading hours for dollars at a job you don't love. What if you could learn a skill that lets you generate income from your laptop? Here's what I found. That's it. 35 seconds. You're not being salesy. You're not being weird. You're just talking to one person about one problem and pointing them towards a solution. People buy when they feel like you're speaking directly to where they are right now. When the content hits that moment, it works. By the way, if the framework piece is what you're missing, the step-by-step, the foundation, so every video you post is congruent and you don't have to overthink it, all you have to do is look in the description for my quick overview, and I have some cool bonuses for you that I think everyone will need when starting their first business online or finding a real way to make money online.